Welcome back, dear student. Welcome back to our NIVS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English National School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is Assignment 3. Today we will discuss this assignment. So let's get started our class. Student, this is your assignment number 3 and it is your home science class for class 6, and you have to make this assignment based on this chapter, that means chapter 8. Our chapter's name is Food, Nutrition and Health. We have already discussed in your live class about this chapter. Now here are given lesson number and topics. Here are given 5 lessons numbers, lessons names, and you have to at first you have to read this chapter very carefully and attentively. Then after analyzing and thinking about these chapters or lessons, you have to make your assignment. Lesson 1, here you will get food, nutrition and health about this topic. Lesson 2, relation food, nutrition and health. Lesson 3, relation between food, nutrition and cleanliness. And lesson 4, function of food. And lesson 5, elements of food and source. Now come to the main topic, our assignment, our assigned task. Number 1, make a list of the foods you ate today according to the table below. So at first you have to draw a table like this. Okay, so I have to make a food list, what items food I have taken today. Okay, in the morning, then noon and night. At least you have to write here 4 and 5 and more than 5 elements names. And now according to the list, classify the foods you eat according to the following food ingredients. Student, we know that there are 6 types of food elements in our food. They are carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals and water. Okay, in your table what you have written in the morning, at noon and at night. For example, suppose if you take at noon rice, you have to write here what is the source of rice. So you can write here carbohydrate like this. Number 2, what do you think about the cleanliness of the food preparation and serving space in your home? So student, you know hygiene and it is very important for our environment, and when you prepare your food and serve your food, we should keep our environment neat and clean. And how should we your environment, you have to write here, explain it. Okay, how should be your environment when you prepare your food and serve your food at home. And number 3, describe how it will affect your health if there is no cleanliness in the preparation and serving of food. So you know, uncleanliness is very dangerous for our health. If we take this type of food, we become sick. So we should be careful about this, and you have to write this in brief, how it will affect our health if there is no cleanliness in the food preparation and serving of food. Now here are given some instructions. Instruction number 1, give the right idea to the students about the content. Number 2, provide assignments. Number 3, encourage them to complete and submit the work on them. It is applicable for the teachers, it is not for you. And assessment criteria, here are given some assessment criteria. If you want to get excellent remark, you have to follow these rules and regulations and these instructions. If you write in this way, you can get excellent remark. Okay, now it is my mobile number, and my name is Shiuly Saha, and it is my mobile number. If you need any kind of help, you can contact me through messenger or by phone. So student, hope you have understood how you will write your assignment 3. So it is your submission date 11th September 2000 21. So student, do it very carefully and submit it on 11 September. See you in next class.